see the crossroads coming up ahead. A choice I make, but haven't made yet. Why do pathways feel so threatening? What ifs are never ending? Caught in the shadow of what might be, a future I fear, but still cannot see. Wait up, tomorrow should be easier. What if I leap and it's not what I fear? Oh.
Hotel na guys sa Pakbani. Here we go again. Laundry again, you guys. Nag-laundry ako kahapon. Kahapon was Saturday. Konti lang yung laundry ko. Itong mga to was from last laundry. Yung mga sinampay ko na hindi pa na-dry. So, na-dry siya kahapon. Tinupi ko na siya. And here we are. Pero meron, oh yeah, you look guwapo. Pero meron pa akong tutupiin kasi yung laundry ko nga kahapon. Nandun pa sa baba. So, ito yung mga hindi ko din na dryer. Kaya huli silang nadadry. Mga damit ni daddy. Lahat ng damit ni daddy, well, except for undergarments, hindi ko din na dryer. Kasi baka mag-shrink. And then, yung mga jumper ko, yung mga tops ko, hindi ko din na dryer. Kasi baka mag-shrink.
For 2 minutes.
No, why?
1 minute.
Not really, baby.
30 seconds.
No. No, Bob.
20 seconds.
No.
10 seconds.
That's just being silly. You look good. I love your outfit.
I'm on the iPad for 10 seconds.
No.
Why?
I said no. Why are you going on the iPad? You guys are playing.
Aww.
Put it away.
I'm going to drop over another hamster.
Good listening, Ayla. Very good listening, my love.
Chicken ball! Chicken ball! Oliver, you can also
Ninja
put
kids,
it on the-
ninja kids.
Oh, I see the tummy.
Guwapo naman ang kuya ko na yan. You look guwapo, kuya.
Guapa!
Yeah, and ate, oh, wow. Our dalagang ate,
Mommy, I'm going to do red carpet.
red carpet. Oh, patay na, nagmodel na. Okay. Nagmodel din yung isa. Go, girls. Oh. Hala.
Your turn. Didi, your turn.
I love it, guys. Oh, Indy's turn. Ooh! Oh, it's okay.
Mommy, now my turn.
Now, Alo's turn.
My turn.
Oops.
My turn.
Okay, go in, Ayla. Good job, guys.
Now my turn.
Go, Alo. Wow.
Your turn.
Go, Indy. Your turn.
Go! Go!
Okay. Oh, guapo. Oh.
Daddy,
Oh,
let
wow.
me do my red carpet.
Okay, go, Ayla.
We'll do my red carpet.
Okay, Arlo's red carpet. Oh, that's your red carpet. Okay. Indy's red carpet. Go, Didi! Yay!
My turn. I need to do my turn.
Didi! Okay, Arlo's turn. Oh.
Daddy.
Oh, yes! Oh, good boy. Well done, kids. Yung mga anak ko nakabihis na. Sila na talaga nakabihis na. Sabi ko magpajamas lang kasi liligo kami ng hapon na naman because we have dinner. Your turn. Okay.
My turn. Hello.
Well done, girly.
Hello.
Good job.
Mommy, my turn.
Okay. Time check. 1:37. Kids are happy. I need to put you to sleep, Didi. Matutulog ba yan, guys? Tingnan nyo naman yan. Oh, kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Indy, let's go.
No, Mommy.
What no? Ito, ang lakas na mag-no. Snacking agad, oh. Oh. Alam nyo ba ano yan? Ano yan? What do you call that? Salt and vinegar chips. So, maasim-asim yan. Pero tingnan nyo siya, oh. Siya pa nag-request. Snacking. As in, kakatapos lang talaga namin kumain ng lunch. Like, not even 5 minutes ago. Pero meron na siya niyan, oh. Let's go to bed. Come on. Why not? You have to sleep because we have dinner tonight. Oh, girly. Your dress. Where is it?
I don't know.
I need to fix it. Do you want me to get it?
Mom, my turn.
You wanna shower? Actually, come on. Sige na, mag-shower na tayo. Let's go shower. Kasi may dinner na naman kami. Baka hindi na naman makashower pagdating ng bahay.
Indy.
Oh, ayan, gusto niya mag-shower. Alo, can you help Indy? Can you get her water there, baby? There's water on the rug there and there's water on the table as well. There you go. Give it to Indy. She will need it. Hmm? Yeah, only one is fine. Alo, you look guapo, kuya.
Where's Indy?
Here, Indy, come on. I think she's there. She's eating. What do you say to kuya? Not yet. Alright, just bring it. Alo. Alright, shower time, come on.
I don't need you. I'm so clean.
You're so clean. No, you shower with. I know you're clean, but to save you from showering again tonight. You don't have to shower tonight if you shower now.
I'm a baby.
See? Indy wants to shower.
And you want to pee?
Come on, let's go.
Take baby. Baby. Mama.
Oh. Yes. Time check. It is now 3:24, guys, ng hapon. One of those days. Ang tagal ko napatulog si Indy. Like, umiiyak talaga siya. Feeling ko ayaw na niya mag-nap. Pero alam ko kasi na antok siya. So, kailangan niya matulog. Especially today. If it was any other day, okay lang. Pero may lakad nga tayo. She needs to be well-rested para okay siya mamaya sa ating lakad. So, she's sleeping sa kwarto namin. Dito tayo maglagay ng lashes. So, nakaligo na kami. And nakabihis na ako. Yung mga bata, hindi ko pa pinagbihis. Kasi naligo yun sila mga alauna. Yung last vlog ko. Ang tagal ko talaga napatulog si Indy. So, after ko siya matulog, naligo agad ako, nagbihis. And now, let's put some lashes. So, naayos ko na yung aking mukha. Yung buhok ko din. So, ito yung gamit kong lashes at the moment. This is from YSDO. I'm pretty sure I got this from Yes Style, you guys. It's not the same as my last style, but it's still good. So again, yung mga gamit kong lashes is yung mga pre-glued lashes, but I still put glue on my lashes mismo para mas magtagal siya. hindi ko nagagamit yung 5. Kasi parang try ko igamitin yung 5. Parang last time ginamit ko yung 5. Kasi walang natira dito sa strip na to, oh. But I'm pretty sure in-overlap ko siya para magkasya yung 5. Kasi masyadong marami yung 5. But first, curl muna yung lashes. So, ilagay mo lang siya sa base ng lashes mo. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. I don't think you can, but doon lang sa baba, kung saan mo ilalapat yung pre-glued lashes. I will do my best. I will do my best. I hate it when I say this because just leave the link. Just leave the link. Parang sa isip mo, ang dali-dali gawin, diba? I-leave mo lang yung link. Ganun lang. But hindi kasi siya ganun kadali kapag nandun ka na sa actual. Ay, guys. Yeah, i-overlap ko to. 5 yung gagamitin ko this time. Ang maganda dito sa set ng lashes na to, nakamat na siya for you. And hindi din siya ganun kahahaba. So, perfect siya. Ay, looks good. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura ng may lashes. Walang lashes, diba? I-clamp ko lang siya and then we'll move on to the next eye. So, I'll do the same thing. Start sa outer corner hanggang sa inner. So, ang dali ko na lang mag-apply kasi sanay na ako, guys. So, sanayan lang talaga yan. Kung hindi ako nag-vlog, wala pang 10 minutes tapos na ako maganito. And that's it. So, yun nga, 8 minutes yun. May chika pa. So, siguro kung hindi ako nag-vlog, less than 5 minutes, tapos ko na siya. Kasi again, sanay na ako. Ito, umaabot siya ng hanggang 5 days. Unless tanggalin ko siya before 5 days. Every night, naliligo ako. Ina-avoid ko lang yung eyelashes na area. But I wash my face daily. So that's that. Let's go downstairs and do a Yes Style haul. Kasi yung Yes Style package ko na yun, guys. Mga ilang araw na yun doon, hindi ko pa na-open. I wanna open it. Wait, ayokong pumasok dun sa kwarto. Kasi ang ating Didi. Open natin yung ating Yes Style package. Ang bait nitong dalawa. Kanina pa sila, naglalaro lang sila. And look at what Arlo made. Arlo, can I show the guys what you made?
Yeah, see?
Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. The dress, yeah. I'll fix your dress. Wow. Alright, i-hold natin to. Tingnan nyo, may dalawang boxes ako dito. That's a comforter set. And this is the Yes Style package. Ito muna. Isa-isa muna kasi kailangan kong i-put away after ko siya i-unbox. And baka i-open natin yung dalawa tapos hindi natin ma-put away. Ayla, is this the card for Maddie? Alright, what did I get from Yes Style? But this is my June order. July order. I love this! Ay, available na pala to. In-order ko pala to. Wait sa... Nakita ko to sa Yes Style and sabi ko, parang ang ganda nga! Uy, ang ganda nga! It's a combination of knit and denim. Tapos ang ganda ng kulay. Yes Style has some good pieces. Hindi nga lang ganun kadali hanapin kasi ang dami-dami. But I will link it sa baba. I promise you I will link it sa baba because this one looks so good. Hindi din siya ganun kahaba. I'm pretty sure meron pa silang ibang kulay. Parang ito lang ata yung chinek out ko kasi ito yung ships within 3 to 5 days siguro or ships within 24 hours. Basta siya yung mas mabilis ma-ship. But meron pa sila ibang kulay dun. Parang may brown ata. Ay, I'm so glad I ordered that. Marami kasi akong mga hina-heart sa Yes Style. Kaya lang hindi ko sila ino-order kasi minsan hindi available. Like ships within 21 business days. Ang tagal niyan, guys. So gusto ko, yung pinaka-latest na pinipili ko, ships within 3 to 5 days. Oh, earrings. Huh? Yes Style. This is Yes Style.
Yes Style.
Yep. I got these earrings. Oh my gosh, nag-order ako ng wig, Ayla. Uy, may weight siya. Oh, that's nice. It has weight to it. I'm gonna wear that today. Ay, nako. Ngayon talaga, huhubadin yung earrings na wala sa taas. Oh, that's cute. Madali lang din siya ilagay. Ang problema, baka mabilis tumatanggal
Mom, I'm
because
taking your wig out.
ganito lang siya, oh. Oh my gosh, nag-order ako ng wig. Ako na talaga ang nag-order ng wig. Kung nanonood kayo ng mga vlogs ko, alam nyo na nag-order ako ng mga hair extensions, mga hair topper sa Shein. I kept none of it, guys. Wala akong kinip because it just doesn't look natural. Parang mas okay talaga kung hintayin ko na lang na tumubo yung aking buhok because I have growth anyway. I just need patience to wait for it to grow, like para humaba siya. Kasi may mga growth na naman na.
serious?
So wala akong kinip dun sa mga buhok na pinag-order ko sa Shein.
I don't think you want to wear this.
Oh my gosh! Dang, Ayla, that's long.
Try it on.
I don't wanna ruin my hair. Nakalimutan ko nag-order pa. This is nice to start because it has bangs. So mas maganda yung may
Mom,
bangs.
please, I need to ruin your
Wait,
hair.
ate, let me put this on you.
Oh my god, fine. I really want bangs. Yes.
Do you want to? Yeah, it's got bangs. Oh my gosh, Ayla. Kung nandito yun si Indy na yung nag-wig. Alright, wait.
Oh my god. Is the bangs this long?
Ayla wants bangs.
This is not my style. Let's see how long.
So,
Wow! Wow!
so yun, meron ding wig sa Yes Style if interesado kayo.
Daddy this.
Oh, daddy's not here.
Oh.
I know. Sobrang busy ng daddy natin today.
I'm going to turn on. Oh! Do not
Ayla, keep it down. Indy sleeping. I ordered, mesh pouches. Bakit ko ba to in-order?
Mommy, where's my wig?
Is Indy awake? You want a wig?
Where's mine?
Nakalimutan ko na kung para saan to. Basta, nag-order ako nito for
What
something.
is mine?
Alright, here. Meron pang isang wig. Come here.
Is that my
O,
wig?
diba? Yeah, sige. This is your wig.
Is it a boy wig?
This is not a boy wig. No, I didn't get a boy wig. Why would I get a boy wig?
Is that yours?
This one is very close to my hair color. Alright, come
Is
here,
that
Milo.
yours, Mama?
Huh?
Is that yours?
Yeah, mine.
Mom,
You don't want it?
take it off? It's too pink.
Oh, thank you, Olo. Alright, wait.
It's hard because it's the same color as my hair.
Yeah. I need to put this away, Ayla.
Mom, what?
Apakahaba. In fairness, maganda yung buhok niya. Ano?
And
Baslay. Straight
Mom,
ba?
can we?
Anong oras ba yung dinner natin? 6 or 6:30?
What time is it?
6:30. So we leave at 6. That's okay. We have plenty of
What
time.
what time is it?
It is now almost 4.
So it's 3:58.
Yeah. It's 3:44. Pupunta kasi si Sharon at saka si Pete. Sabay kami
And then we have this
pupunta dun. Laging maaga yun. So,
brand.
dapat na put away ko na to before siya dumating.
Mom, what is this?
Alam niyo naman yung lagi yung super early. And then, I ordered, this one.
Mom, can I draw on Maddie's underwear?
Sige, do.
What do I draw?
Up to you. For passports, guys. So, yung lagayan ng passport namin, malaki yung lagayan ng, pouch. Yung lagayan ng passport namin, pouch. Passport naming lahat. Ito nakita ko sa Yes Style. Maganda siya kasi meron siyang strap. So, maliit siya, pero feeling ko kasya dito lahat ng passports namin. And then, may lagayan pa ng pen. And meron pang maraming mga bulsa. Maganda sa kanya, meron talaga siyang slot for it. Alam mo yun? So, pwede mo talagang, Wait. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Maikli lang pala yung dito. So, hindi siya all the way yung butas niya or yung compartment. I was expecting for it to go all the way para malagay ko yung passports. Hindi pala siya all the way. So, yung passports namin, nakalabas din. I'm pretty sure magkakasya siya, pero nakalabas lahat. Gusto ko sana yung meron talaga siyang compartment isa-isa. Para pag open mo, it's well organized. Anyway, ibalik ko siya sa packaging. Kasi maganda siyang wallet. Para kung hindi natin siya gamitin, o diba? Bagong-bago pa siya pag binigay natin. I got a big one! From the same brand, Brandon. So ito, mas malaki siya compared dun. And then it has a lot of compartments again. I think magugustuhan to ni Papa. Kaya lang baka masyadong mali ito para sa kanya. It's nice. Yung material niya is yung parang yung Uniqlo na bag. Ganun na ganun yung material. And it feels really sturdy.
Mom, can I eat this?
You want that? Sige, you can eat that.
Yeah, open it.
Itong aking dudo mo snack. Here you go. You're welcome, boys. And guys, I repurchased my favorite basics. So I already mentioned it sa previous Yes Style feature ko na ito yung favorite crop tops ko. As in, I love it. I have it in all colors. Yung in-order ko this time is kung ano yung available nila to ship straight away. So I got the white and the taupe, I think it is. Pero meron na ako nitong mga to, guys. Ayoko lang maubusan. Yung gamit na gamit ko sila. Like, pang-inner ko kapag nagja-jumper ako, tas I need extra layer, pero ayoko mag-long sleeve. Maganda siya kasi, ano siya, crop top siya. So, hindi siya nakikita kapag nagja-jumper ka or nagka-cardigan ka. It is just perfect. As in, sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung ka-hype niyo ako, naghahanap kayo ng simple, basic na tops, these are very, very good. I think I've had mine for, I think pa 2 years na, or maybe 2 years, or more than 2 years na yung akin. Meron silang 4 na kulay nito, white, black, taupe, at saka beige. So, meron ako nung 4. Kapag naging in-stock ulit yung black at saka yung beige, order ko siya para lang may extra ako because gamit na gamit ko siya. Like, ganito yung itsura niya. As in, ang ganda ng quality. Hindi siya ganun kakapal. It just sits very nicely on me. Like, tamang-tama lang, hindi awkward tingnan. As in, ang perfect lang talaga nito. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng basic na top, tas kahit ko kayo for 11, this is perfect. And don't forget to use my code RAZEL10 to get 10% off sa inyong Yes Style order. As in, I highly recommend these tops. Oh, hair turban. So, ito naman pang after shower. I'm using one right now. And kapag wash day, Daddy. Hello, my love. Just to wrap your hair after shower. That's it. Kapag wala na akong maisip na i-order sa Yes Style, because binibigyan nga nila ako guys ng voucher every month to order, minsan, ubusan na talaga ako ng idea. Kapag nauubusan na ako ng idea, I always go for body lotion because it is something that I use daily. So, I got niacinamide, glutathione niacinamide body lotion. This is nice. Tapos hindi din siya ganun kalaki. Ang perfect lang niya. So, pwedeng dalhin pang travel. Tapos may pump na din siya. So, ang dali lang niyang gamitin. What are these? Meron akong 3 ganito. Something fragrance. Did I order a perfume? I don't think I ordered perfumes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Diffuser. I love it. Ganito yung itsura niya. I think yung nandun sa website is ano daw siya? Car diffuser? Yeah, car diffuser daw siya, guys. How? Paano mo ito ilalagay sa car? Yeah, it is. It says car diffuser. So, I got it in 3 cents. Alright. So, pwede siyang idikit. Meron siyang kasamang pandikit. Kailangan ko siyang hanapan ng lugar sa car ko kasi glass siya. It's glass. So, parang medyo nakakatakot siya, no? Saan kaya natin ilalagay sa car ko yan? But, mabango to. Mabango tong soft cherry. Another product that I stock up on all the time. Lalo na kapag, again, wala akong maisip kung ano pa yung i-add ko. I always add these because I use these every day. Every after shower, I use this. This is the K-Secret na retinol. So, ito yung retinol na gamit ko, guys. I have been using this for a long time. Like, nung pwede na akong gumamit ng retinol. Like, after ako mag-breastfeed. So, ito na. So, matagal na. Magtuto na si Indy. I got, Cicatrix Shaking Glow Sun Fixer. Glow Sun Fixer. Let's see. Okay. Skin First Sun Focused. Natakot akong i-spray siya, guys, kasi baka sobrang glowy. Okay. Hindi naman. Okay lang. Hindi naman siya, akala ko magiging shimmery or glittery. It's not. So, ito yung sunscreen na spray. Perfect. And then, meron tayong Bare Water Tint. This is for the lips. Wow. That is dark. But that's from the brand Romand again. Oh, cool. Tingnan natin. Ah, okay. So, hindi naman siya ganun ka-bright kapag na-blend mo na siya. Ayan na nga, nawala na nga eh. Na-over sa blend. Ah, mayroon naman. It's very subtle. See? Kita nyo? Meron ba? Very, very subtle. Ay, perfume! So, gustong-gusto ko yung FPF na perfume na na-order ko sa Yes Style last time. Yung black na parang kaamoy niya. Similar sa kanya yung Burberry Goddess. Gustong-gusto ko yun. And hindi din siya ganun kalaki. So, in-order ko yung white. Kasi sabi nila, ang bango daw nito. Look! Ang cute! Wala pa akong perfume. Sabi nila, ang bango daw. Parang very clean lang na scent. Oh, yeah. It's like powdery. Hindi lang ganun kaganda yung spray niya. Tapos puti talaga siya. Puti talaga yun, oh. Mabango siya. Ay, hindi ako marunong describe ng amoy. But it is powdery. It's very parang after shower lang, parang sabon. In a good way. Hindi marunong mag-describe. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys. I love this. Romand na. Ito yung lasting tint nila na mini. Naubos na yung akin. And I love it kapag nakakaubos ako ng product. Lip product especially. Kasi parang ang tagal nila maubos. So, ito yung... So, yung ganito ko, as in, ubos na talaga siya. This is the shade Cocoa Palm. And it is so cute. Perfect lang siya pang car. So, yung isang ganito ko, kinip ko siya sa car and yeah, ubos na siya. So, meron na tayong pangpalit. Thank you. Yes, another favorite lip product. This is from Romand again. Ito naman yung nasa lips ko kanina before ko siya tinakpan nito. Pero ibang shade lang. Ito yung Glasting color nila. Bakit parang iba na yung itsura? Yung shade nito is Rose Finch. Rose Finch. Hindi ko siya i-open guys ha, but this is a really nice lip product as well. So, very nice nude color lang. I ordered Band-Aid. That's it from Yes Style. Again, if you want to save money, use my code RAZEL10 and check out Yes Style, you guys. Ililib ko yung link sa baba. It's actually always in the description box yung link ng Yes Style. So, kung interesado kayo, go, go, go. Maluluban kayo, guys. I need to clean up. Our house is a mess. Ready?
Ready.
Sit. Hey, look good.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, guys. Say, Mommy's gonna do my hair. Can we do two? I'll do two, okay? Yay! Thank you, Indy. Can I have one? Ang cute at ang gagwapo ng mga anak ko, guys. Ang cute ng mga suot nila. Wait. Huwag kang galaw ng galaw. Okay, don't move. Stay still.
Mama.
What? Milk?
Good.
Water?
Milk.
Yeah, water.
Milk.
Milk? You want milk?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Milk.
Can Mommy put a bowl on?
Mama.
Milk, wait. One more. One more. Ay, nigara.
Mama.
Okay, Mommy milk. Okay, Kuya! Can you get Indy milk? Indy wants her milk. Can you get it for us, please?
Sure.
Oh, thank you, Kuya.
What is it? Adele.
Her milk is in the fridge.
Adele. Hello there.
Hello, please. Oh, you want yogurt?
Yogurt.
Milk. She said milk.
Then what is it? I don't know what it is.
Can you reach? Is it on the side? I think it's on the side. Look on your right. On your right.
Milk?
Yeah. What do you say to Kuya?
Money?
Don't. What do you say to Kuya? Oy, manners. Oy.
You could work it out.
You look guapo, guys. She's thirsty.
We are ready for this.
Yeah, really thirsty. Thank you,
And
Alo.
it's really cute.
She looks really cute. Aww. So, punta kami sa birthday dinner ni Maddie, guys. So, yung pinsan ng mga bata. And alam niyo bang hindi kasama si Dan? Kasi meron siyang biglaang appointment ng alas 6. Ngayong alas 6, tapos yung dinner 6:30. So, si Sharon, nung nalaman niya na hindi makakapunta si Dan, kasi syempre sinabihan ni Dan yung fam, sabi niya, puntahan kita dyan sa bahay. Sabay na tayo para sabay tayo mag-stop sa car park and matulungan ka namin sa 3 bata. Sabi ko, okay lang naman ako, but ikaw bahala. Sabi niya, na tulungan ka namin. So, pupunta sila dito. Tapos, sabay kaming pupunta doon. Sabi ni Dan, magsabay na lang kayo sa isang car. So, depende sa kanila. Kung gusto nilang sumabay sa car ko, okay lang. Pero dapat, kung sabay sila sa akin, ako yung uupo sa likod. So, si Pete yung magdadrive. Kasi ayoko naman paupuin si Sharon sa likod or si Pete sa likod. Medyo nakakahilo yung likod eh. Tapos mahirapan na silang pumasok at saka umalis. So, si Pete na lang magdadrive, no? Kung mag-iisang car kami. Pero kung hindi kami mag-iisang car, okay lang din. Biglaan talaga, guys. Yung appointment ni Dan, na-set lang siya kahapon lang. Alright, Papi's driving my car. It's not tight. Go, Nana. Oh.
You gotta get in.
Yeah. Likod ako, guys. One. Thank you.
Do we
Bobby.
confirm?
Bobby.
20 minutes.
Bobby.
Hi, Papi. Oh.
Bobby, hi.
Hi, Kuys. Hi, guys. I'm at the back.
Mummy's at the back.
Hi.
Everybody in?
Everybody
Yep.
in?
Everyone ready?
A puppy's here.
Oh,
A nanny's here.
Yep. Nanny's
A
here.
Andy's here.
yeah,
A mommy's here.
Yes.
yeah, everybody's
And
here.
Aya here. Yes.
Is
And
Aya
Amo
here?
here. Yes. Everyone's ready.
Yay.
Mom. We
Yeah.
shouldn't have left at 5 something. It was like conding candy. It's like blue and pink.
Oh, okay. That's fine. We don't want to be too early.
But I need hold mommy's hand still.
You need to hold my hand because Nani's watching.
Why, mommy?
Nani's watching. We're here.
Where?
Here. This is it.
And we need the Mega Man house.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. And the answer's here.
Oh. Oh, there you go. They're coming.
Yeah.
Stay here. Ito yung si Indy. Lumapit agad kay Papi.
Arlo, you were really good for your age because you're only very little. You're still little. Where Ida's a bit older.
You guys are really
You
good.
were, all 3 of you were amazing children tonight. And thank you for being so good. I'm very proud of you guys. Very proud.
When I'm 13, Indy's only 7.
Yes, that's right.
We played
You were so much older.
the God, so can we have bodies?
Did you enjoy it? Next time you see me, I'll give you new lollies, okay? I can't bring you all lollies all the time.
Okay.
Then you don't love me. You just think I'm the lolly lady, you know?
I do love you.
Oh, I love you.
Me too.
Oh, I love you, Arlo.
But
But you do like lollies.
I'm seeing you right now, so get it.
Oh, your kids are priceless.
Nanny.
You say who their mother and father are.
Nanny.
Danny would be so proud.
Nanny.
Yes?
When we want the lollies,
Yeah.
so, but we love you more than the lollies.
Oh,
Yeah.
Isla,
That's
you
nice,
guys are
Isla.
just amazing.
Mix
You know
it
what?
up.
And Isla,
What?
we love all our grandchildren, but because you 3 are so little, you guys are just in our hearts, okay?
it up and it makes a lolly lady.
Exactly. Mix it up, makes
The
a
lolly lady.
The lolly lady.
And it makes up to Poppy's one and it makes to a man lady.
Man lady.
Man lady.
Rosie, you're laughing at your pants.
I know. They're really good, these kids.
They are.
Yeah, most of the time.
They are. All three are good. The
50.
youngest one's a comedian.
I know.
Bye.